Welcome to the varied and exciting world of fishing gear, available in every corner of the globe. From the latest cutting-edge rods and to traditional nets and traps, each piece of equipment has a unique story and purpose. Whether you're a novice fisher looking for a good starting point or a seasoned angler seeking new ideas, understanding the vast of tools at our disposal is key. The right selection of gear can turn a frustrating day at the lake into a trophy-winning one. So, without further ado, let's embark on this global tour of fishing gear. First up, we have the fishing rod. This is the backbone of any fishing gear set. The purpose of a fishing rod is twofold. It helps you cast your line far into the water, and it assists in reeling in your catch. There are various types of rods to choose from, each designed for a specific type of fishing. Spinning rods, for instance, are perfect for beginners due to their flexibility and ease of use. Fly rods, on the other hand, are best suited for more experienced anglers looking to catch fish in rivers or streams. When choosing your rod, consider factors like its length and material. A longer rod allows for farther casting, while shorter ones offer more control. Rods made from graphite are lightweight and sensitive, making them great for detecting bites. Fiberglass rods, while heavier, are durable and require little maintenance. Remember, the right rod can make or break your fishing experience. Next, we have reels, lines, and hooks. These are the workhorses of your gear. The reel, your fishing line's home, comes in various types like spinning, bait casting, and trolling. Each type serves a purpose, and your choice should align with your fishing style and target species. The fishing line, your connection to the fish, also varies in types. Monofilament, braided, and fluorocarbon lines each have their strengths and weaknesses, and the right one for you depends on the water and fish you're dealing with. Then we have hooks, the sharp little heroes that secure your catch. They come in a myriad of sizes and styles, from J-hooks to circle hooks, each designed for specific types of fish. Choosing the right hook can be the difference between landing a big one and telling a one that got away story. These items may seem small, but they're mighty important for successful fishing. Last but not least, we have knots and baits. These are the finishing touches to your gear. Knots, essential for securing your hook or lure to your line, are the lifeline between you and your catch. A poorly tied knot can be the difference between landing that trophy fish and watching it swim away. For beginners, the clinch knot or the Palomar knot are good starting points. They're simple, reliable, and easy to master. Now let's talk about baits. Different fish are attracted to different types of bait. Live baits such as worms, minnows, or crickets are often very effective. There are also artificial baits like plastic worms or crankbaits that mimic the movement and sometimes even the scent of live prey. Remember, the key is to use what the fish in your area are naturally feeding on. Mastering knots and choosing the right bait can greatly enhance your fishing experience. So there you have it, a quick guide to the essential fishing gear for beginners. We covered the basics: rods for casting, reels to wind in your catch, lines and hooks to secure it, plus knots and baits to lure them in. Starting with these fundamental tools, you'll be well equipped for your fishing journey. As you gain experience, don't shy away from exploring advanced gear options. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the process. Happy fishing!